Hello guys, welcome to Tech Eye Media. I'm GMK with Tech Eye Media. In today's lesson of our YouTube tutorial, I'll be taking you through how you can actually use your WhatsApp AI. That has to do with the artificial intelligence, how you can actually make use of it. Without wasting time, we'll go straight into that particular video. By the end of the day, how you can use that particular in your WhatsApp group, how you can use it in a WhatsApp group, how you can use it to chat somebody, or how you can use it to do a lot of research. By the end of the day, once you don't have it, you just have to let's go straight into that. So this is exactly what we are talking about. This is exactly what we are talking about. Where you ask quite a number of questions. This particular Meta AI has really come to help all of us. Once you don't get it activated on your phone, you need to do that as early as possible. So basically, that is how it is. So Meta AI, what does it do? It aids in a lot of research. A situation where you are typing something, or maybe a write-up has been sent to you where you do not understand certain words, or there's something you want to do that you don't understand. This particular Meta AI can help you. So basically, that is how it is. A situation where you really like its explanation, you can give it a thumbs up. All these and many more others will be looking at, are the things we'll be looking at. So I find myself, so this is a platform that you ask Meta AI anything at all. It's more like a kind of a conversation. So I ask, let's just see, what is the meaning of the word palatable. So what it does is that quickly it will start searching. As you can see for yourself, it will start searching. So it has come with its own and palatable is an adjective that refers to something that is pleasing or acceptable to the taste or palate. So it goes on and on. Once you would want to give Meta AI a thumbs up, or like you really like this particular decision, so you press and hold, and then you move this place, you move this way, and then you like you just like what it has given you. So once I click on it, which means I really like what the definition or what has been said. This and many more things, anything at all you need. Now let's quickly go into how you can use Meta AI in a WhatsApp group. How you can use a Meta AI in a WhatsApp group. So basically, now that I'm here, what do I do? Let me add. So you quickly move to where you've been typing, which is this particular space, and then what do you do? So you key in at. You realize that there is a highlight giving you an option at, and then you click on Meta AI. continue. So which means what I want to do right now, whatever I type, Meta AI is going to help in order to bring the responses to this particular WhatsApp group. Basically, that is how it is. So you will just write, be it Ghana, right? Immediately I send it, Meta AI will help by explaining as to whether is a noun, is it a name of a country, a lot that you need to know about this particular word. So basically that is how it is. Meta AI could also be used to do so many. Let's look at how you can use Meta AI in order to generate an image. So let's have a look at this. So just click in art and then a slash, right? Describing an image for Meta AI to generate while you type. So let me just key in a student playing football. A student playing football. So it's searching. A student playing football, basically. So with the aid of Meta AI, you are able to generate an image. This is one of the features that this particular Meta AI is in doing quite a number of things. It is uncountable. So basically anything at all, if it is Meta AI helps in doing so many things. Whatever you are writing with the Meta AI, you are able to do a lot of research and a lot. Please, if this video has been of help, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Eye Media. Share the video with friends as well. Leave a comment at the comment section, and then that will be it. See you in our next video. Bye bye.